This here is Taco Cat Goat Cheese Pizza, and it's from ages 7 and up. You can do 2 to 8 players, and it's about 10 minutes each game that you play. So basically, you distribute cards, right? And every card is going to say Taco Cat, Goat Cheese, or Pizza. And every time it's someone's turn, every person is going to say that. Either Taco Cat, Goat Cheese, and you have to just say it in order. And whenever the card that you put down matches, so if it's your turn and you say taco and your card that you're putting down is taco, you have to slap the pile. And the last one who slaps the pile or slaps the pile by mistake, and it's not the card that they mention or the word that they put down the card, they have to take all the cards. And basically the first person to get rid of all the cards win. And the really fun thing about this is that there's special cards in here that you have to follow rules for. So for example, I thought I saw one here somewhere. So groundhog, if you see this groundhog card, there's other ones as well, but if you see this groundhog one, you have to knock on the table with both hands and then put your hand on the pile, and the last one to do it takes all the cards. It's just a really fun game night, you know, family game or your friends as well.